It's all making it onto my way. No apology for your burn them every day. Thanks for mercy, like the kind of play. Now the ball underneath without my say. Guide over.
Breaking on Sonic Snap, reggae legend Sizzla Kalonji shut down Rebel Nightclub in Toronto this past weekend. It wasn't just a concert, it was history in the making. Let's talk about why this night felt different. The man's catalog still moves generations.
Well, I said, praise Sizzla, tell the empire. I'm answer to one fullness, up to earth. Rastafari, let me see you put your hands in here. Well, I said, praise Sizzla, tell the empire. Hey, I'm king, I'm king. I'm answer to one fullness, up to earth. Can I say put your hands in the air? Our beautiful people from Canada, Toronto, Halifax. Show us the well and as we say, fire blazing are cool, no way. Teach us to praise up to do to. The needy shall not all the be forgotten, no way. I will be.
This wasn't just another tour stop. Sizzla is preparing for his 30-year anniversary celebration in Kingston, and Toronto got a preview of why he's still one of reggae's most important voices. The fire, the message, the legacy, still alive.
Ladies, how you doing? Ladies, how you doing? Stay beautiful, be beautiful, because you know you're always beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. You're filled with astounding beauty. Ain't no nation without the woman. Ain't a home without the ladies. Ain't no party without the ladies. Ain't no nation without the ladies. Ladies, feel sexy about yourself. I'm missing you. Turn on the microphone for me now. Turn on the mic. Now I got them dry. Evil Maya. But who will lose for no one but me? Things do happen, words can't explain. They have the human reason time mix with the pen. Fire. Step up in it. We don't love no funny boy. Get the girls pregnant. Boom, boom. Yo.
From Rebel Toronto to the world, Sizzla proved again that reggae's foundation is solid as ever. What's your favorite Sizzla anthem that still gives you chills today? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Sonic Snap review.